Oil towards the beginning of the week failed to sustain in fact the higher levels throughout the week, traded in red, and in fact towards the end of the week it failed to breach 92 levels, critical resistance level. Those were the levels I had told you last week, that only above which is still till $94 you have to be cautious, and in fact it failed to sustain above the entries which we had given for buy position. In fact, traded the whole week with the bearishness. Also remember, what did I say? 86 and 85 and 84. Just be watchful of this. Precisely it has achieved 85.5. Now what is going to happen next week? Which position you should take in order to make profit? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. In the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. And if you are missing to subscribe this channel, definitely you are missing on the profits, as I share my daily and weekly analysis. The daily analysis on US crude is shared with the Asia session. Definitely it gives you throughout the day 24 hours to trade as per the levels, and it holds good, and definitely it will help you in your day-to-day decisions. So subscribe the channel, like, share, comment. Also, let's start the day. Now let's first have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, one thing is very much evident, that this is giving you lower highs. Second thing which is evident is it is trying to trade in this channel. Now this is a bearish channel. It has achieved the highs out there. Only long entry, as I say, is beyond 92 now. Only if you see it trading beyond 92, you can expect that it is trying to reverse. Else it has seen the high. If it draws below this zone, so you have to be watchful of 92 and then 88 levels. So if you see it trading below 88, go short again. Expect it to drop further till towards 85, and 85 definitely a very strong support, and then below that we may see it crashing further. See, this was the time, this is the zone from which the rally has started here. It has completed this journey till here, it has completed the movement till here. 85 now is a very strong support. Below that we will be looking forward to $80, and then below that a further drop can be expected. However, 85 and $80 are going to provide a very strong support. Last week it failed to breach past those levels and try to bounce back. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, this is giving you higher lows and higher highs, indicating little bullishness there. And this is why I say go short. If you see it trading below 8.8 levels, go short, and you can expect a further 88 levels. You can expect a further drop for 86 and 85 levels. Definitely strong support exists there. On the upside, see the highs of this channel are at around 92, and hence beyond 92, definitely it will be called bullish, and we can see a stronger rise. Now look at the weekly candle out there. On the weekly candle, you will find the candle ended in red, and only if it breaks. So yes, if you see it trading beyond 91, and in fact rather I say if you see it trading beyond 92, go long and consider that as a bullish reversal. And right now see it is trying to trade in this channel. Hence if you see it trading below 88, definitely you can stay short. Rather I will say you can go short at 89 itself. Expect 88 to provide a support, and below that we may be looking forward to 84 levels. This is the zone which I had predicted long time when it was at 120. I told you it is looking forward to $80 levels. 80 to 85 should provide a stronger support. Precisely almost 33% it has dropped since then. Now this is on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the monthly candle. See, on the monthly chart, the candle is still red. It has seen the highs. It is further to see the lows out there, and it has a possibility for it to drop till towards 80 to 84 zone. Close the month at around those levels. 8 trading sessions left. This is highly probable that it can drop towards these levels before looking forward to a rise. And hence till the time it trades below $100 levels, or rather 98 levels, we can remain bearish on US crude, and you can expect it to drop continuously. So this is one thing. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicator suggest out there? Now look at the 4-hour chart. The support there on the downside at 88.5 is strong, and below that we can see a good drop. At the same time, $91 should be watch out for. Also, if you look at the charts, 87.5 the next target, and below that you can see a good drop. Directional movement is bullish still. And if you look at the stochastic, this is comfortable. The MACD is willing to converge and crossover, and look forward to a sell RSI is trading flat out there. So indicators here are mostly moderately bullish, but look at the daily charts. The 20 period moving average situated at around 91 levels and 92 levels, providing it a very strong resistance. So just watch out for 91 next week. Only if it trades beyond 91 you can expect that we may see 92, and then beyond that we can see a good reason for it to rise out there. See also on the daily charts it is trading in this bullish channel, hence you have to be watchful of 89 on the downside. Below 89, yes, you can expect 88 and then 87.5, 87, and then below that 86, 85 levels. Below that we may see a good drop. On the upside, just be watchful of $90 levels. Directional movement is bearish so far. Stochastic is again looking upwards. From here it can try to converge again on the downside. MACD is divergent and it is still bullish. RSI trading flat. Likewise on the weekly charts, if you look at on the weekly charts, you will find that this is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, and it is definitely getting the resistance from the 20 and 50 period moving average at around this is at around $92 levels. This is bearish on the weekly charts. It is divergent, indicating we may see red candles. Stochastic at bottom, not oversold but at bottom. Directional movement is bearish and it is divergent. RSI looking downwards. Likewise, if you see on the monthly chart, the support there at $80 level is very strong. Here is the 20 months average there. So yes, be cautious of that. Directional movement is bullish, willing to converge a little. Stochastic was overbought, looking downwards with this move this time. MACD is in green for multiple months. Now it must crossover for a sell and probably enter into bearish zone. RSI too looking downwards. So yes, we have seen the monthly, weekly charts. We have seen the indicators out there. Now let me give you the trading levels and strategy for next. First, we will talk about the levels to go long. See, while trading, you have to trade as per the levels and not as per the bias. Yes, I think that it is going to drop. Boss, why do you think that it is going to drop? And do markets go as per your thinking? Yes, at times it does. But then the times it does not, it is definitely going to take all your capital. So don't apply your thinking, just trade as per the levels. If it rises, go long. If it drops, go short. Very simple. You should know which point is good to consider that as a moderately bullish, and you can expect it to rise. Take the entries and take the exits as per the levels. This is how you should trade, and trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. And yes, if you want to learn the art and strategy, if you want to learn the methodology on how to trading profitably, you can become a part of my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting soon. 15 days, 90 minutes daily, and a lifetime support is what you get. More details, you can reach out to me. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel video description. Also, if you want to reach me for any of your queries, become a patron. You can send direct message to me there. Definitely we can be more interactive there. So if you have any queries, you can become a patron. The patron link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my VIP signals group. So do join, do subscribe. Now let's have a look where to go long. See, it closed the week at 89.60 out there. Only long entry is above 90.2, but remember 91 very strong resistance and 92 very strong resistance. These two levels you should watch out for. 91, 92. It can reverse from here. It can reverse from here till 92. We can see it reversing, or we can expect it to reverse. Beyond that, I will look forward to 93.5 and 94. And if it trades beyond 94, it is going to be bullish. We will look forward to 96, 98 levels. The charts does not speak of a rise out there. Hence, we have to be cautious. Every rise is a good to go short till 94. Beyond 94, we can see a good rise. So yes, you have to be watchful. Just trade as per the levels. What I think does not matter to markets. What market thinks matter to markets. Think what markets thinks, not I think or you think. So very simple. And yes, you can take a long entry here and then expect 92, 91 levels should provide very strong resistance. If it breaks past 92, I think we can go little bit bullish out there, but still 94, 95 levels should be very strong resistance. 96 zone is definitely a very strong resistance. On the downside, you can go short at 89.0. Below that, see, remember 88.4 88, and then 87.5. See how many times these levels I've told you in last couple of days, and below that we can see 87, 86, 85 and 84. Till here it has got very strong resistance. Till 84 it has got very strong resistance. Just be watchful of 84 to 86 zone. Previously it was 94 to 96. Now it has become a tad lower at 84 to 86. Below that we may see it hitting $80 levels, if not today then this week. If not this week then next week probably. Till the time it trades below 84 we can expect it to achieve $80 levels. This is my long term target which I had given so far back at around $120 levels, and hence I will be looking forward to those levels. However, achieving and reversing 85 itself is good enough for me that we had predicted it mostly accurate. Now we are just waiting for a little more movement. So trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.